Let's map out exactly how to build your very first RAG system step by step. No fluff, just code. Look, RAG isn't magic. At its core, it's just search, external APIs, and standard data pipelines. If you know .NET, you've got this. The LLM is an API, and prompts are just request DTOs. RAG simply fixes an AI's ignorance by feeding it your private external data right at runtime. Step 1, chunking. This just means extracting your text and splitting those massive files into smaller pieces. Bad chunking ruins RAG. So in Python, you'll typically chop that massive PDF into 500 character blocks. Next, we generate embeddings. Think of this as turning human meaning into a list of mathematical numbers. Why? Because similar meanings create similar numbers. This enables insanely powerful semantic searches far beyond basic keywords. You'll store those numbers in a vector database. It acts just like a highly specialized backend search index. Together, these steps form your ingestion pipeline. It's where you prep, process, and ultimately save your documents. In standard clean architecture, think of this ingestion phase exactly like running a background job or data seeder. Then we hit the query pipeline. We embed the user's question, search our database, and prompt the LLM. This maps flawlessly to a normal backend request flow, from controller right through use case to infrastructure. For your first local build, just run pip install chromadata in Python. It's lightweight and totally beginner friendly. Listen, build it manually first. Avoid heavy frameworks like LangChain early on, because they hide how things actually work. Make sure you verify search accuracy. Unit test your retriever against a solid expected evaluation dataset during development. To troubleshoot errors and stop AI hallucinations, use strict fallback rules. Tell it to literally say, I don't know. Also, force it to return source citations. That proves the AI is actually using your specific data pipeline. Once your local ChromaDB setup is solid, you can start looking at production-ready deployment patterns using tools like Qdrant. So here's your roadmap. Master Python foundations, manually build that search, and then scale into production engineering. So are you ready to ditch the magic and start building a real AI backend pipeline today?